Hey guys, do you think someone may have blocked you on WhatsApp and you're not sure about it? WhatsApp doesn't tell you when someone blocks you, but there are several signs that you can look out for. And in this video, I'm going to share 5 signs that actually can tell you whether someone has actually blocked you or not. So if you want to check, stay with me in this video. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to check the last seen or online status. This is one of the first things that people are going to notice. If you are not able to see someone's last seen or online status anymore, this might be an indicator that they have actually blocked you. It's also possible that they might have changed their privacy settings as well. So do not jump to conclusions based on this alone. Wait for the other signs that I'm going to tell you. And the last one that I'm about to tell you, I can guarantee you that most of the people don't know about it, but that's very, very important. The second thing that we're going to look for is their profile picture. It's very, very obvious. When their profile photo disappears, you're not able to see their profile picture anymore. Photo never seems to update. That can be another possible sign, but please remember that people can actually hide profile photos through privacy settings, right? So they can choose the option to not show you their profile photo. They might want you to believe that they've blocked you, but they might not have done that. This is a clue, but it's not a proof. So we're going to go to the third thing that we want to check. A lot of you might already be aware of this, but this is single check mark. It's a stronger indicator than the first two that I've already mentioned. What happens is when you send a message to someone and it is received by them, then you're going to see 2 gray tick marks. When you send someone a message but you only see 1 tick mark, that means that the message was sent from your end but it was never received on the other end. When you see 2 gray tick marks, that means the message was sent from your side, it was received on the other person's phone, but they just didn't open it yet. However, if you keep on seeing that 1 tick mark and it's a gray tick mark, that actually could be an indicator your number was actually blocked. It could also happen if the phone is off or the phone doesn't have an internet connection, right? It happens a lot of the times, but it is going to be more suspicious if it is happening consistently over time. So moving on to the next thing that we're going to check, and that is WhatsApp calls. Try to call them on WhatsApp. What happens is when you call someone on WhatsApp, you're going to see 2 different options. If the call is actually ringing on the other person's phone, you're going to see the ringing option when you call them. If the call never rings on their side, you're going to see the calling option, ringing option never appears. If you are trying to call them and the call never connects and you've been doing it for, let's say, 1 or 2 days, yeah, that could be an indicator that the number is blocked. Is not enough evidence by itself, but it can be considered along with the other signs that I've mentioned. But this next tip that I'm about to give you, that's going to actually help clear the air a little bit, and that is group testing. I would consider this as the strongest check amongst the all that I mentioned earlier. What you should be doing is try adding this person to a group. So maybe create a new group and try to add them to that group. If WhatsApp is giving you error messages such as you don't have permission to add them to the group or unable to add this person to the group, I think then there's a higher chance that this person has blocked you. I'm still going to say it's not 100% confirmation, but since you've checked all of the 5 things that I mentioned, there's a very high chance that you've actually been blocked, unfortunately. You see, WhatsApp deliberately keeps blocking private. There's no single sign that confirms it 100% guaranteed. Multiple signs together, however, since we've checked 4 to 5 already, that make it much more likely. Use your common sense, look at the overall picture, and then determine whether you've been blocked or not. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel before you leave. That helps me a lot, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.